Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nisi. Today I'll be making this mirrored wall decor on the left, and on the right is my previous project. I'll link it to the end of this video, so if you missed it last week you can check it out when you're done. So I'll be using this mirror from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cover it so the paint won't get on it when I'm painting. And I'm also using this tube, and I'm using a piece of cardboard. I cut my cardboard at 14-inch diameter. And I'm just going to use my hot glue to go right around that mirror with the tube. And I place my mirror in the center of the cardboard. And then I'm just going to use my craft sticks and go right around the tube. And I just eyeball it to make sure the spaces are equal between all my fudge sticks. And I'll be using my hot glue for the entire project. And now I'm just using some alcohol to clean off the excess glue, and then I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it white, but you want to use acrylic paint. I notice whenever I use spray paint on vinyl, it takes a long time to dry. I will be using these 1/2-inch mirrors along with round 1-inch mirror. I will have a full list of all the items I used in the description box below. So I'm just going to start by applying my 1/2-inch mirrors, and I'm just trying to hide that gap between the large mirror and the tubing. And I'm just leaving a little space between them. You might want to place them first before you glue them down so you can know exactly where you want them to be. So now I'll start to attach my mirrors to the popsicle sticks. I was just playing by ear, doing whatever comes to mind. I should have painted the cardboard and the popsicle sticks gray before I attach my mirrors. So you can paint the side of the popsicle sticks along with the cardboard, no need to paint the top. These mirrors have sticky back, but it's not sticky enough for me, so I'll use my hot glue. And you can take off the back if you'd like, or leave it, it's up to you. It's easier for you to just leave it. And while you're watching, I'll really appreciate a thumbs up. It will help to grow my channel so I can continue to bring you weekly tutorials just like this one. And if you're new here and you'd like to see my weekly tutorials, please subscribe and select the post notifications so you will be among the first to know every Friday when I upload my new videos. So I'll be doing 2 different designs. Every other one will be the same. So on one I'll put 4 square, and then I'll go 1 1, and then the next one after, then I'll do 1 1 starting with 1 square. I just want to say thank you to my old subscribers that keeps coming back. I appreciate every comment and every thumbs up. And I ended up with 2 same design next to each other right there because there's an odd number. So just remember to do this part first. I'm just mixing my black and white paint so it can be gray. And and then I'm just gonna paint the area that should be gray. And then for this raw edge, I'm just going to use one strip of my bling wrap, and I'll go right around with my hot glue. And then I'll just peel off my protective films and I'll be done. Oh, except for the back. The back, I'll be using this 18 gauge aluminum wire, and I'll just cut a little piece off, make a loop, a small loop, and use my hot glue to hold it down to the back, and I'll use a thumbtack to hang it on the wall. That was super quick and easy, and it's beautiful on the wall. Thank you so much for watching, and please click on the screen to watch my previous project, and I'll catch you guys next week.